Okay, 26 CR 57 is called the State of Texas versus Joseph Johnson. That's you? Here with your attorney, Mr. Kirk, and the state's attorney. You were charged with the second degree felony of aggravated assault causing serious bodily injury by punching a girl in her mouth. And let's see. He received, according to the grand jury, permanent disfigurement and trauma to the bottom row of her teeth. You had punched her multiple times in the face and head and caused her to lose consciousness. If convicted of such a crime, you are looking at 20 years confinement in prison. Where is this lady now? Do you know? I'm asking you a question.
No, I don't know.
I find out you have any contact with her or anyone on your behalf, you'll sit in jail until this is over with. Because the court sees this often. Too often. The male punches out the female, and then some reason the female changes her willingness to prosecute because something is being done in the background improperly and illegally. People trying to contact the poor victim and make them feel worse than they already feel for being traumatized. This court doesn't think much of males who punch out the girls. Not the way I grew up. And shame on anyone who does that. But two things happen. Either you punched her out or she just punched herself in the face until she lost consciousness and broke her teeth. Now, she's your wife, right?
Girlfriend.
Girlfriend. Okay. Well, who assaulted her if not you? I'm just.
No, I didn't know.
Oh, well, didn't you go out and try to find out who did that to your girlfriend? I mean, isn't that important to you? You don't look at him. He didn't do it.
Judge, at this point, we're getting in.
I don't care what, he didn't have to answer. I can speak to him under the First Amendment all day long. But this court just does not tolerate people who mistreat others, especially people who have a legal relationship. You're supposed to protect the spouse, aren't you? That's what we learned, right? Well, I'm wondering who punched the poor lady out. Do you happen to help us with that? Don't you want to know? She's your wife.
Judge, he's announcing trial.
You don't care about finding out who might have done
Judge,
it?
he's announcing trial.
All right. All right. Is that right? Or is he going to speak for him?
I'm going to speak for him, Judge.
Are you going to go for trial?
Yes.
All right. Where's the lady now?
I don't think he knows.
Y'all can't have any contact. That's a court order.
Okay. I understand.
Nor anyone on your behalf can contact you.
I understand that already.
Do you need something? Tom's looking.
No,
Oh,
Your Honor. So
no, you don't know? Does the state know where she is? I mean, she's still alive, isn't she?
she is. We have an address for her, Judge. That I'll remain
But it's
quiet
not,
about it.
as far as you know, they're not cohabitating or contacting.
No, sir. And just to be real honest with the court, this is one I can prove with or without her. I don't know if the defense is thinking they can
Well, it's-
prevail because she doesn't cooperate.
The thing is about it, it just happens over and over again.
Yes, sir.
I find out that the people who have paramour type relationships in this often over and over again attempt to contact the victims, and that's just forbidden.
As I said, I can prove this without her. Her injuries are existent. The statements she made to medical treating folks are supportive. The admissions that he made, we're gonna, if they want the trial, we'll give it to him. He'll lose his opportunity for a deferred.
I mean, anybody, does anybody feel bad for someone, a female who ends up with permanent disfigurement from an assault?
I do, Judge, and
I
that's
do
why
too.
I'm going to try it with or without her.
It's not rhetorical. It's trying to make a point. This is serious. set for trial. And there are no deals. Move this one. We're gonna move this fast, please. This one we can get done.
Come back.